Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I'm so sorry it's been a little bit over a week since I last posted. I just have not been feeling the best lately. I've just been really tired and exhausted and just not feeling well overall. So in this video, it's going to definitely show because I don't have any makeup on, and also my hair is on its last days of being straight before I revert back to curly, so it looks kind of oily. So excuse that. I'm just, very lazy and exhausted, so I don't really want, keeping up with my appearance is like the last thing on my list at this point. But I want to do another quick video for you guys of me cleaning just to motivate you guys. I am working on my linen organization video very soon. But I just needed to pick up my house super quick. Only my master bedroom, master bathroom, and the kitchen and living room just need a little bit of a quick touch up, especially the master bathroom actually. It was quite a bit of a mess in there, so I just wanted to get that out of the way just so it's nice and clean before my husband gets home. But yeah, let's go ahead and clean with me. Cleaning product that I use all the time, which is vinegar mixed with window cleaner and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I love that mixture. It cleans anything, stainless steel, granite countertops, mirrors, glass, anything. It's my household cleaner and I love using it all over. For the master bathroom, as you guys can see, it's quite a bit of a mess, just mainly on the counter. Everything else in the bathroom is pretty clean except for the countertop. Me and my husband work all of the time, day shift. I work 5 o'clock in the morning, he works 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're usually rushing out of the door because we like to sleep in as much as possible, so I don't really give myself that much time in the morning. So when I'm rushing, I don't really have time to clean up behind myself, and when I get home, I'm exhausted, so I like to relax, then cook some dinner, get ready for bed, and then sleep and repeat. So I don't really get to tackle my countertops, and it ends up looking like this. It's just everything on my countertops that I use in the morning time. So when I wake up the next morning, it's already available, but today I was just tired of looking at the mess and I really wanted to get it cleaned up. I'm also going to be cleaning out the sinks just because they need a little bit of a scrub. Nothing too vigorous, just a quick wipe down. I'm just using Ajax. I love using Ajax in my sinks, tubs, and also my toilets. so dark in the master. It was raining out today and I didn't get the best light in the bedroom, and we did rearrange, as you guys can see, but the master didn't really need that much help. I just kind of needed to make up the bed, pick up a little bit of stuff on the floor here and there, and yeah, I was going to vacuum, but it didn't really need a vacuum, so I'm just going to put that off for another day. I like to clean in sections, and if something needs to be done, then I'll do it, but if I can hold off on doing something else, then I'll hold off on doing something else. So yeah, I just clean in sections, so that's why I skip the vacuuming, but other than that, everything is done. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm so happy for everyone who has subscribed and supported. My channel is growing slowly, but it is growing, and it gives me so much motivation to keep putting out videos. And I love putting out videos, one, because I clean my house, and two, I get a video done. So it's like a 2-in-1, you know, so we're both satisfied. So I really thank you guys so much for supporting me and my channel, and it really motivates me. If you guys want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, then you can follow me on my Instagram. I will have that in the description down below if you have an Instagram account. That's really the only social media that I have besides my Facebook account, and I'll have that down below. Also, if you guys have a Facebook and want to connect with me on there, I'm always on my social media and I'm always watching YouTube videos. So if you guys comment down below or talk to me on my Instagram, then I'll always reply to you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.